Hello everyone, welcome back for speaking English for every single day. I've never been bored to show you the method, the way how I practice my English for every single day. And so for right now, I have a book that I already bought in last 2 days. So the title is What If 2. And then I'm going to use this book for shadowing. And the first thing that I have to need is audiobook. I have to search first for the audiobook over the on YouTube, and then I will listen to it, and then I will try to shadow for the audiobook. Okay, so let's head over to the YouTube. Let's find out it. But I don't know, guys, what just happened. You know, um, like I've never been. I have many books. I have many books, and I try to find out in the YouTube, and I find it. I found it, and I don't know what just happened to this book. Maybe this book is new, and I think I should wait for it to being uploaded by someone or the author of the book. So what and also in additional feature that I will use to improve my English, there is a book and also my pen. This is very important, guys. Okay, so let's head over to the number 1. Page number 1. Page number 2. Page number 2. Oh, sorry. Okay. If the solar system were full of soap out to Jupiter, things might be okay for some people for a new minutes. Then for the next half hour, things would definitely not be okay for everyone. After that, time would end. Filling the solar system would take about 4 large liters of soap. If the soap is tomato, that works out to about 1042 calories worth more energy than the sun has pulled out over its entire lifetime. So the soup would be so heavy that nothing would be able to escape its innermost gravitational pull. It would be a black hole. The event horizon of the black hole, the region where the pull is too strong for light to escape, would extend to the orbit of Uranus. Pluto would be outside the event horizon at first. But that doesn't mean it would escape. It would just have a chance to broadcast out of radio message before being vacuumed up. And what would dissolve look like for the site? You wouldn't want to stand on the surface of the Earth, even if we assume the soap is rotating in synchronous with the planets in the solar system, with the little whirlpools surrounding its planet, so the soap is stationary where it touches their surface. The pressure due to the Earth's gravity would crush anyone on the planet within seconds. Earth's gravity may not be as strong as black holes, but it's more than enough to pull an ocean of soap down hard enough to squeeze you out. After all, the pressure of our regular water ocean under Earth's gravity can do that. And Amelia's soap is a lot deeper than ocean. If you were floating between the planet away from Earth gravity, you actually be okay for a little while, which kind of weird. Even if the soap didn't kill you, you would still be inside the black hole. Shouldn't you die instantly from something? Strangely enough, what do you think about that? I just finished about reading out loud the What If book, and for now I'm feeling like I'm familiar to the English word because my mouth is trained to be familiar with the word. So that I want to ask you guys that if you wanna more fluent or sound American, you should try to practice such I do currently, and also it will train your brain to works. Yeah.